Okay guys, so this is a coding update from Project Scatterfish. I'll open up what I've been working on today. I've been working on a UI system, so the actual user interface. I'll just open up Xcode for you now. Okay, so I'm going to build and run. The first thing you'll see is a loading page, a splash page that appears, you see most commercial applications now. Quickfish is a proposed name at the moment. We'd like to make it final. However, we're just looking for some advice on that at the moment. Quickfish, okay, so we've got the main menu, we've got swim, scores and options. I'll show you the options first. When I click on options, you'll see a transition between the pages. It'll like wipe upwards. If I show you now. So obviously this isn't the final settings screen, but this is the template with the placeholders and the functionality in place for some of the buttons. That screen wipe, the reason I brought your attention to that was that actually we are going to use bubbles going up the screen. I'll just show you this in a better, there we go. So we're going to use these kind of bubbles going up the screen on the transitions, which I thought would be quite nice, and will add to the feel of the game. So if you can imagine that going up the screen throughout the transitions. So this is the settings screen or the options screen. This button here will be the mute sound button. Control whether the user wants it. Will have a graphical design that Rich is designing, as will all the buttons, to be honest. Okay, so we've got the tutorial section. This is just a scroll view. This took me a while to figure out how to code, but yeah, the user will be able to use the finger to scroll through the game. Back button just takes them back to the setting. This will clear all the scores on the game. This back will take you back to the main menu. The scores section, you click on there. Now as you see, there's a table in here at the moment with just some random data. This will be linked to a server of some sort that will have all the scores saved on. These options here will allow you to paste on Facebook and Twitter. Those will also be designed by Rich, the buttons that are yet to come. The back button. And obviously swim now. So if I click on this, you can see we now have a level select. We've got the coral reef, seabed, and these thumbnails will be different for each one. You've got the coral reef, seabed, underwater cave and Atlantis. As you can see, these two are currently not available. They're locked, so that's what the user will see. In this case, if they were on the seabed level, underwater cave and Atlantis will be locked. Now this will open, these are buttons and these will open a mock level, so I'll show you now. This is a very simple mock level. This is just an image that's been shoved in to represent, but obviously we've got the life system on view at the moment. This will not be in the final game. This just shows me that it's working. I've programmed the shark button so it goes down to 0. You can restart the level, which means obviously if you'd restart a level at any point, then that would shoot back up to 5 fish in your school. Skip at the moment just links back to the main menu. But that is just what I've done today. It's roughly taken a day's work, which isn't bad, considering getting a menu system together with all the functionality. The hardest bit that I've found has been the user interface scroll bar. That took a while to figure out. But since then, that's about it really, and I just wanted to show you guys that the menu system's coming along. Okay, yeah, so that's about it. If you have any questions, anything like that, please post them on the blog, scatter-fish.blogspot.com, and we're more than happy to answer any questions that you may have or any suggestions.